Kolter Homes. Homes that are built around you. The Taylor Plan offers many examples of how you can elevate your living experience. Let's start with the Flex Room, which can be upgraded to several different configurations, including a fitness room. Now you can focus on your workout without distracting the rest of your household. And right around the kitchen, you can partition your pantry and add a wine cellar. This is perfect for the wine connoisseurs. This plan also offers a spacious walk-in closet that has enough room to add an optional island with extra countertop space with drawers and shelves. Lastly, you can even convert one of the bedrooms into another owner's suite, which comes with double vanity and a walk-in closet. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.